Hi, good morning, everyone. Today we will have a revision about your homework last February 5. It's about pronoun expressing quantity in short answer. Okay, let's start. Expressing quantity. Expression of quantity tells us how many or how much of something there is. Okay, these are the things that we need to remember. Many, most, few, a little. These are words that expressing quantity in answer, but you need to know how to use them properly. Just like for example, many. Many is used for countable nouns. Okay, if you are telling that there's a lot or many, okay, use many if it is the noun is countable. And if it is uncountable noun, you use most. Okay, you use most. Few, expressing a little. Few, expressing if there is not much, use for countable nouns, and a little for uncountable nouns. Okay, again, countable nouns, those are things that you can count by numbers, like for example chairs, students, teachers, people. Okay, computer. And while uncountable noun, those are things that you cannot count, like sand, clouds, water, okay, milk, sugar. Okay, now let's continue. Expressing quantity. Compare these two sentences. We get a little rain in the spring. Okay, we use the word a little because rain is uncountable now. Okay, just like what I've said, we use a little with non-countable nouns like rain, snow, or pollution. We cannot use a little with countable nouns. Okay, next sentence. Many people live in London. We use many with countable nouns like people, cars, chairs, and etc. We cannot use many with uncountable nouns. Okay? Now, let's continue. So in here, there are words expressing in quantity where you can use both in countable and uncountable nouns. Just like for example, not any. Okay, so not any. This is a negative sentence. Countable noun. There are not any biscuits left. The word biscuits is countable noun. Okay, and another example for uncountable noun. There is not any water in the sink. Water is countable, uncountable noun. So this is a one example where expressing in quantity you can use both countable and uncountable. Another one, no. There are no animals in the park. Animals are countable. So you can use no in countable. Now in uncountable, there is no money in my purse. So money is uncountable. Okay? So these are the words that you can use in both countable and uncountable. Not any, no, some, a lots of, plenty of, most, and all. Okay, remember those words. Those words you can use them both countable and uncountable now. Okay, let's try this exercise. Number one, there are a lot blank people here. Okay, so let's check the expressing uh, quantity words are a lot of. So basically the answer is B. There are a lot of people here. Number two, there were blank any bikes in the shop. So it's in here, not any. So obviously the answer is not any bikes in the shop. Bikes is countable. Okay, there were blank any bike in the shop. So there are plenty any bike in the shop. Number four, some blank are in the garden. Okay, here's the sum. some children. So the next word is the noun. So in here, you need to find the answer. Where's the noun? So this is the noun, cat. Okay. So some cats are in the garden. Okay. Blank of birds drinks from our bird bath. Okay. So the answer is lots. Lots of birds drinks from our bird bath. Okay. Let's go to your homework. Okay. Here. Number one. How blank money do you have left? Okay, you need to find the noun. The noun is money. Okay, and then you need to think it is countable or uncountable. And then money is uncountable. So you use the word much. Much is for uncountable. Many is for countable. So the correct answer is much. How much money do you have? Okay. Number two, there are not blank oranges in the table. Oranges, is it countable or uncountable? Oranges is countable noun, so you will use many. Okay, many. Number three, there are blank people who would like to come to the party. People is countable noun. Okay, but the correct answer is lots of. There are lots of people who would like to come to the party. Number four, unfortunately, there is blank wine left in the bottle. What is wine? Wine is countable noun or uncountable? Okay, and the wine is uncountable. So we will use little. Okay, little is for uncountable noun. Okay, the question number 5 to 6, I will give it to you to analyze it in your own based on my explanation here. Okay, see you next time, guys. Bye bye.